Olive, what do you think of your new underwear?
I love it.
You like it? Say, I like my new underwear. Oh, thank you for the kiss. Okay, go. Let me see you. Let's see you shake it in your new underwear. Shake it in your new underwear. Shake it. Shake it. Are you hugging? Thank you. That's nice. You're so nice at hugging. Let's see you jump in your new underwear. Jump. Jump. Jump up. Jump. Woo! Woo! Wow. Okay, can you say, I love my new underwear?
I love
My new underwear.
my new underwear.
Thank you, Mommy.
My lips.
Say thank you, Mommy. You say thank you, Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
What are you doing now?
And that.
You're what? Oops, careful. Okay, say I'll see you.
Bye.
What? Say good night. Good night. Kiss. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.